Houston, we have a problem.
What's the problem, babe?
Holy moly donut shop, we ain't got no stud in the back of this wall right here. So what I went ahead and grabbed was some anchors. They got a whole bunch of different type of anchors. This one right here is cool because this little blue that's inside of there, it actually spread out once you screw in your screw, which is pretty much attached to the back of the drywall a little stronger. And another good thing about these is the anchor here, you can hook it to your drill, and it kind of got like a drill, like a what's it called, a screw tip on here. You can hook it to the drill and drill right through the drywall. So I'm gonna show y'all how that go. They got 5 holes on there, but we're gonna use all the anchors we got, which is 4. We're gonna put the most screws we can put in there to make sure it's strong. Don't try to cut no corners and fit 2 screws and boy fall on somebody. So when you got on stud and you need to screw to it, the best thing to go to is some anchors, some drywall anchors. You want to have some good ones that are actually attached to the wall. It depends on how thick your drywall is too. Some people got thin drywall that might not work good with thin drywall. But this drywall in here, I believe, is like 5/8, so it's nice and thick. But they got a bunch of different types. Figure out which one gonna be best for you. But in this case, these will work well. Different anchors too, they have weight ratings. So this one right here can hold up to 105 pounds, which is way more than enough what we need. This mirror is probably only like 25 pounds, but hey, I'd rather have overkill than underkill. So now we're putting these in. I put my bracket up here already. So I already took my bracket and put it up here and made it level. And I went ahead and marked my holes where I want my anchors to go. With this type of anchor, you see it got a Phillips head on there, and your drill bit fit right in there, and you can screw it right into the wall. You can use a drill. If you got a super strong drill, I don't recommend it because sometimes if it don't twist, you would eat up the inside of this anchor. So you can also use a screwdriver too. You don't need a drill. But you just take this, put it on your mark, just like a screw. Oh, easy. Once you see it go in there, it go in and it go flat, so you should be good. And that held nice and tight. Now, it is an anchor, and it is plastic, so it can get stripped, so you don't want to over tighten it. Just make sure it's tight enough where it's nice and snug. The drill might bounce out of there a little bit, but you don't want to overkill it because it'll just strip it, and then you got to take that anchor out if it come out and redo it again. So since we got the frame up there, that boy nice and sturdy. If you think this was helpful, smack that like button one time and send a video to somebody else, and check out our other videos too. We got a bunch of playlists on house renovations, a whole bunch of fun stuff, so go check it out.